Audrey, you're on tape.
You're on the mermaid in I Love Area with a tiara.
Audrey, what is Ariel?
A mermaid, and I love your tail and your whole maid.
Why do you have a mermaid sitting here?
Because I'm sitting next to her, and she's my underwater toy, or the pool toy, and I want to bring her to the pool, and my mom if I can go to the pool today.
Audrey, what is this thing that she's sitting on?
Oh, a rock.
A rock?
Uh-huh.
What's the blue and white stuff?
The ocean. That's the ocean, and that's the ocean waves.
Oh.
Up at the top of the ocean.
What are we going to do with this thing later?
Eat it up.
We're going to eat it?
Up.
Why are we going to eat it?
Because it's a cake.
Oh, a cake? Why do we have such a special cake today?
Because I wanted a mermaid cake.
What for?
Because it's just so pretty.
Is today a special day?
Yes.
Or do you have mermaid cakes every day?
Every day.
Every day?
Well, not every day. Morning and lunch and dinner.
What's special about today that you get to have a mermaid cake?
Because mermaids are my favorite. Oh, princesses are only my favorite. And Lena and Rihanna is my favorite.
So you get your favorite thing, a special cake with your favorite thing on it, on a special day. What's so special about today?
It's my birthday and I love Ariel on birthday.
It's your birthday. How old are you?
4.
Wow. Big girl. Happy birthday, Audrey.
Thank you.